Nevada, Arizona.
There
You guys are crossing over 2 different time zones.
Yeah.
2 places at once. Look, you're in 2 places at once, Dad.
You're straddling the line.
You're in 2 places at once. 2
Arizona,
places at the same time.
There you go. And who said you can't travel time?
You're in 2 states at the same time. That's amazing.
He's a big man.
You need to lose some weight. You're taking up 2 states.
That's pretty good.
Okay, here we go. Go into the... Here's where the Transformers are held. The Decepticons. Yeah, baby. Transformers. Oh, wait a minute.